Here I have OPPO Reno8, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So in this kind of situation, firstly you have to turn off your OPPO Reno8, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds. And after the screen turns on and you can see OPPO logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume down. So in the following menu you just select English, then select wipe data, then you have to enter verification code. It's not your PIN code or something, you will have your own individual verification code here, not 5966 as I have, but something else. And select format data, format, and after a few seconds all the data from your device will be wiped, including that password, and then your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.